So tara, samahan niyo kami.
Let's go.
Ay, beautiful wife. Oh.
Nasaan na kami? Roro. Papuntang Mendoza.
Ang dami. Good morning. Maria. So guys, we are here sa car and we are going to temple.
So, pupunta pa kami sa pier muna. We're going at their pier. Meron kami hop on, hop off.
Nag-aaway sila sa
Ba't kasi nangingialam ko? Ikaw ba gumawa ng ito na lang?
guys, nag-aaway.
Pakita ko yung text sa inyo. Sabi niya sa akin, temple muna. Pero paano ka pupunta ng temple? Lalangoyin mo yung
Oo.
river? Hindi ko alam kasi. Huwag ka nga nagsasalita kasi hindi mo alam. Gusto niya pumunta ng bar. Hindi ka bar. Maglalakad ka lang sa gilid. Sa gilid ng bar? Yung maraming bar. Tapos yung mga mag-aalok sa'yo. Natatatawa kasi yun. Mag-aalok sa'yo. Yung hindi nila, nakikita ko hindi nila pinapansin yung babae pero yung lalaki. Pinapansin nila. Oo. 5 baht, 10 pesos. What? And then 10 baht.
5 baht.
20. You want,
5 baht.
gusto mo mag-rice, man? No rice.
Light. See, man.
Ito men.
Look. Hop on, hop off.
Mahal. Saan tayo punta? Oh. Parang mainit ha.
Papaaraw muna kami guys. So hot. Oh, it's okay for men. Oh, okay, thank you. So guys, kapag pupunta kayong temple, bawal kita yung shoulders and then shorts sa girls. Pero sa boys, okay lang daw yung short.
Temple. Oh. So guys, we are here at the
Wat Arun Temple.
oh.
So, hindi kasi kami ma-temple guys. No offense sa culture. Sobrang init kasi, pero gusto namin mag-visit ng kahit isa lang. And ito yung napili namin. Ganda.
Sobrang daming tao nga lang. So, tourist attraction
Pag
talaga.
lang yung pinagpapawisan.
sila, naka mga costume pa, nakita nyo naman.
Full makeup pa yan.
So tara, samahan nyo kami.
Let's go.
Okay. So guys, I suggest na ikutin nyo lahat kahit may init, kahit maraming tao. Why not? Because it costs almost 200 baht in peso, 400 pesos. Yes, so kahit mainit, mahirap, nakakapagod, kailangan. Para sulit, minsan ka lang makapunta rito, kailangan.
Saka isang temple lang naman yung puntahan namin. So,
Guys, dahil gusto nyo mag-picture, is ganda muna siya. Akyat, init, tayo na siya. Yan, dyan. Yan, tiis ganda ka muna. One. So what can you say?
guys, yung asawa ko napaka-support. Pictures. Ikaw na lang yung mapapagod, guys. Naka-2?
Kanina yan. Kasi di ba makit ka doon? Oh, that's my beautiful wife. Oh, love you.
Okay, update, Mal. Where are we?
Time check. It's 11:45
Okay.
and we are not eating dinner and breakfast. And today we're gonna eat 3 in 1.
3 yan.
Dinner, breakfast, and lunch.
Nag-dinner kami kagabi, guys, sa High Tide.
Ah,
Pero
ito.
hindi kami na busog masyado. Wala rin kaming breakfast. And it's lunch. So, 3 meal to. Kaya pang malakasan yung order na.
Nandito kami sa
Refillable
KFC.
yung ano nila. Yung Pepsi nila, isang baso, 49 baht. That's 100 pesos.
100 pesos, guys.
Refillable, guys. Ang kapa. Thailand na.
Thailand na. Thailand na, ha?
So this is 398 baht. Let's see. Price. Yeah, price.
Yeah, it's regular.
Kuha kayo isa. May regular. Ay, dapat.
So guys, nag-book kami ng Bolt para pupunta saan man.
Sa pier. Babalik ulit kami sa pier para pumunta sa mga cafe.
Tapos na kami kumain sa KFC. Ngayon, nandito kami sa 7-Eleven. So guys, we are here at the car.
We're going to.
Going to tell
The
the
pier.
followers.
We're going to the pier, guys.
So, pier.
Back on our adventure, we took side track.
Oh,
KFC.
KFC.
yeah.
What's your rating
Rating.
Rating KFC?
of KFC in Thailand?
For me, it's 8 because I think it's a combination of chicken and gravy. But we don't have gravy here. Ketchup. So, kamusta ka naman?
How about you, Tori? What's your rating?
My rating, chicken sandwich, 10 out of 10. Totally recommend.
The Zinger. Ikaw naman.
Huwag na, huwag na. Sige na.
Para naman may ambag ka dito, be.
Oh.
Ganda lang.
How about you, my wife?
I think it's 6 out of 10. Walang lasa yung chicken, guys. Yung original at saka yung spicy, walang lasa. Pero meron silang chicken wings dito, no? Yun yung may lasa, pero sobrang anghang naman.
Eh, gusto mo ng lasa eh.
6 out of 10. Ano pa rin? Filipino sisig. Ano ka makakahanap ng sisig
Pag
dito?
nasa Pinas naman, ayaw kumain ng sisig.
Kailan naman?
Talaga.
Tulog ka kami. Okay.
So guys, update namin kayo mamaya. Pagka doon na kami sa pier.
See you later.
See you later.
O, diba? Hindi naman tayo.
Joke lang pala.
Bye. Grabe guys.
Sobrang,
Tirik na tirik yung araw.
sobrang init ka lang ko ng ice. Ice.
Sobrang sakit sa ulo guys. Hindi nakakatuwa yung init. Pero pag yung kasama mo, mahal mo.
Aray ka!
Kinilig.
So guys, lagi lang kayong magdasal tsaka mangarap. Kasi kami ng wife ko, nangarap lang din kami.
And now we're here.
Yes,
Second country together.
yes.
Nasaan na kami? Roro. Papuntang Mindoro. Ganda.
So guys, dito kami ngayon. Sa mall na lang kasi mamaya na kami magkakape kasi mainit.
Wala na kaming energy guys.
So guys, time check,
Ito ba yung ako? 150.
1:55. Sobrang init na init kami. So, dito lang muna kami sa mall para magpalamig. Kita nyo naman, may aircon na pero naka-electric fan pa rin. Sobrang init.
So, ito yung tinatawag nila na Suk Sayang. Food court ng Icon Sayang Mall. And sobrang dami pagpipilian. Naririnig nyo ba kami? Kasi may electric fan pala, no? I'm sorry. Sorry, akin. Coconut smoothie. Naan mo magkano?
What? 80? Ha?
Piling mo.
Di ba ganun ang mga product nila?
Piling mo na.
Wala kasi ako pera guys.
Ito may budget.
Ito lang, 100. Ay, 1,000.
100 lang.
So, hindi ko pa ako.
Ito may budget pa kasi. Oo, kulang. Pagdala ka pa isa, 100. 200. So, 80 baht. Mga 150, 160 pesos. Masarap, matamis. Goodbye.
So guys, pag-isip-isip ko, ito, tempura. Ang dami ko gustong bilhin. Kasi pag inugot nyo to guys, para kayo nag-ugbo. Sobrang dami.
Pero nauwi ka sa tempura.
Hello, vlog. We have Yuzi special. Yuzi Tyra.
Bili ako.
Oh, Yuzo.
Hati lang.
And what you get?
100 lang yan.
Thai tea.
Thai tea.
Original. Yan yung
Original.
pinakamaliit. Wala, isang size lang. Right? It's just one size.
Yeah, just one size.
Roti. Ang cravings niya ay roti. Pancake. Lumpia. Shrimp spring roll. That's not lumpia. Yeah.
Shrimp spring roll. Let's try.
It's not
Not as
crunchy.
crunchy.
Meow, 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 meow. How much is that? $1?
Cafe Arabica. Haba ng pila.
Meron naman sa Pinas.
O, yan tayo. So guys, agad dito, kape pa rin. Cafe Arabic. So guys, yung kape namin, it costs 210 baht.
420 pesos.
For 20 pesos. Aray ko.
Yay!
This is the weather we like.
Ayan! Hello! So
Hello,
we're
guys.
at Ratchabok.
Tacho.
Isa siyang neighborhood na marami ding cafes and cool things. So we're just gonna explore a new neighborhood kasi hindi na masakit yung araw. So nagpaubos oras lang kami sa mall, and now we're ready to explore again. Right now?
Yes.
Okay.
So guys, naghahanap kami ng coffee spot. Kahit kaka-coffee ko lang. Banat uli, coffee uli. So many people, ah. Walking and walking and walking. Kailangan talaga mahaba rin yung pasensya nyo sa kasama nyo. Yan, kagaya dito, sa kasama ko na to. Mahaba pasensya ko dyan. Yan, buti nakatalikod. Uy, marap. Hindi yan, hindi yan. Kung mahilig kayo sa coffee, ito yung dapat nyo talagang pinupuntahan. Kasi kada kanto, maraming kapihan. Oh. Ayan yan. Siya may pakanalahat niyan.
Ang cool dito, guys.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I know nothing else. What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I know nothing else. I know nothing else. I know nothing else. I'm here by your side and you look in my eyes and I think you're the one 'cause I'm so hypnotized, yeah. But it's all in my head. I don't want this to end. Oh, let this be over. Want you to stay.
Let's review the cafe. So we are at a Pink Rabbit and Bob. Si Bob ay isang stuffed toy. So naman hindi mo naman naka-inform eh. Pero ang dami nila masasarap ng cake dito, guys. Here, let me show you. So we ordered. What did you order?
We ordered salted chocolate tart, and it's so
So
good.
good.
Giovanni recommend.
They even ordered for
To go, oh my god.
Our to-go desserts.
City Hall.
Brownie. Burnt cheesecake. I don't know the name.
And
Burnt
then
that.
And then one more of the
Salted.
delicious salted
Chocolate.
chocolate tart.
Here, let me show you what that is. It's so good that there's only one left.
Oh, we should buy it.
And then we ordered matcha Oreo, which is so good as well. And they have a lot of choices here.
Oh my, I wish we can get
They also have tiramisu.
She will love this.
She will love the pasta. And here's Bob. It's a stuffed toy. So you should check this out, guys. It's at Songwhat Road. So overall, what's your rating?
Over.
9/10.
Yeah, 10
over.
out of 10.
But we haven't tried their coffee.
Yeah.
We weren't
And
able to try
For
it.
me, their place is so dark.
It's
they
the
can-
vibes
I
that
like
they're
the vibe.
going
I know.
for.
She don't like it. Wasn't. She want to be a little bit bright.
Yeah, a little bit bright. They
But
can
for
use
me-
some light.
For me, it's like
Yeah, I think so too.
the music volume could have been a
Yes.
little more, but it was great.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go to my husband and ask for a review.
Ay, taga dito po ako.
Diyan ka ba nakatira?
Sinasali niyo po ako sa mga pinagsasabi.
Oh, yun ang review mo.
Sorry. The store is very nice.
Mhm.
The comfort room is very good.
Oh yeah, so aesthetic.
Then yung sobrang lamig eh. So,
Yes, malamig. My gosh.
Sa sobrang init ngayon, ito pinakamahalaga yung malamig.
Tama.
Then the matcha,
Oreo, matcha Oreo.
matcha Oreo,
Good.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yay! And we're actually heading back to the hotel. Kasi tingnan nyo naman mga be, kulas na kami. We're so haggard. Kasi kanina pa kami 8 a.m. naglalakad.
Saka
I mean,
nagpapaaraw.
not naglalakad, pero kanina pa kami 8 a.m. nasa labas. So we will freshen up and go out again at 8 p.m. to Chinatown to have dinner. Yes. Okay. Bye. See you later.
See you later.
Good evening. Hey, you three. Where are we going?
Chinatown.
So, lahat kami gutom. Kasi, when was our last meal?
First and last.
Yeah, first and last.
Oh, that's why. So, una namin kain was at lunch. So, it explains why we're hungry. And it's 9 p.m. And we've been walking for, oh my gosh, since morning. I mean, sumasakay kami, syempre. Tsaka nagbangka. But in between, long walks and then mainit pa. Diba, Mahal?
Yes.
What can you say?
Yes.
Ano kakainin mo?
Yes.
What's your... Gotcha. What's your
Where's my
priority to try tonight
tonight?
in life?
What's your priority?
Priority in life? Make sure that it's very good.
Okay, stop it. Going back to my husband. Ikaw, bitter ka. Anyway, we're just gonna have dinner, explore Chinatown, because tonight will be the night that I will fall. Bye. Nakasakay na kami sa Bolt. Alam nyo, isang trivia dito sa Thailand. Pag sumakay kayo ng mga Bolt, Bolt is parang Grab dyan sa Pilipinas. Hindi sila approachable sa mga pasahero. Ewan ko lang baka kasi ang sabi ko din naman, ang isang theory namin about dyan is because of language barrier. Baka nahihirapan sila. Halos lahat ng mga nakasalamuhan namin ditong mga lokal, hindi talaga sila nagsasalita ng Ingles. Kaya feeling namin yun yung isa sa mga reason kung bakit sila masungit. Pero masungit talaga sila. Masungit talaga sila. Hindi namin ma-justify. Yung iba kapag ka binabati mo, wala man lang hindi man lang nag-reciprocate. Courtesy man. Walang ganun. Pero, understandable. Yan, baka nahihiya lang sila, ganun. Pero, ang tip namin tip ko, para sa inyo,
Dami mo pa kami.
tip ko sa inyo, wag na kayong mag LRT na yan. It will save you stress and yung comfort talaga may bibigay sa inyo ng Bolt compared kapag nag-public transportation kayo. Yun nga lang, traffic. Pero bearable kesa sa traffic dyan sa Pinas. Yun lang. Sinare ko lang. Gusto ko na magsalita. Napagod na kasi akong kausap sila dito eh. Parang kasi kamong kumakausap.
So guys, dito na po kami sa Chinatown para kumain. Oh. Mahal. Are you hungry?
Yes, super. Super duper.
Me also, I'm hungry.
So, gusto ko kumain ng rice, ng noodles, ng mango sticky rice, ng barbecue.
Ang dami. Kala mo talaga, totoo. Hindi yan totoo.
Totoo yun.
Check natin.
Para lang kami nasa Binondo, guys.
Pinondo na may kasamang malati. Kasi masyadong mailaw.
You're okay to wait? Okay to wait?
Parang hindi eh. Oh.
Size.
size.
O medium lang.
Large ka?
Medium. Since 1960?
So guys, after a long walk,
Yay! So, pork.
Itong restaurant na to, 1960 pa siya. And famous siya for... Let's try it!
so yun guys, sinagit lang namin ng pagkain. Siguro dahil pagod tsaka gutom.
Wala pa atang 10 minutes.
Sarap, para ka naglitsyon silog. Ang ganda na pagkakaluto sa litsyon. And first time ko maka-extra rice. Sarap. Ano in order mo?
I wanna try pad thai. Hindi kita inaalo, kuya.
Pinano ko lang.
Okay, authentic pad thai with chicken.
Makakalap ko po ng pad thai. Ay na po. Natapad na po ako ng wish. Pad thai ba yan? Parang palabo. Palabo. Giniling with egg.
Bad trabaho.
Ay ba? So ayun na nga po, rice, tapos noodles, tapos ngayon mango sticky rice eh.
Siyempre,
Tapos,
bubuin natin ito.
oh, oh. Malaki nga yung Chinatown. Kala namin yung side lang na yun. Meron pa palang other side. Yan.
Kada eskinita meron.
Kada eskinita meron. So guys, nag-enjoy po ako, pati yung asawa ko dito sa Binondo, Chinatown. Kasi yung mga pagkain is masarap talaga. Lalo na yung lechon. Napa-extra rice ako. Promise.
Pero ang tawag lang nila dito pork.
Pork lang. So guys, time check. It's
10:48.
10:48. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. At nabusog kamahal. Yes, halata naman.
Lapit naman.
Ayan. So guys, kailangan namin magpahinga kasi bukas maaga pa kami.
It's our last full day tomorrow.
Yeah, sad to say, but back to the